Hi you guys. I am going to do another one of my one pan meals in the oven. I was going to do it in the sun oven, but we haven't really had sun since last Thursday or Friday or something like that. So I'm not going to complain because the temperatures have been spectacular in the 80s. I've actually been cold. So what I've got here is some potatoes that I've just peeled and chunked into fairly large chunks, like if you're going to roast potatoes. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil, mush that around, try and get them all nice and coated. And what I'm doing tonight is the roasted potatoes, whole chicken wings, and asparagus. I'm going to do them all on this pan. So then I have the good old Hidden Valley Ranch dry seasoning mix. You can get that at Costco, Sam's. I think other places have BJ's, Winco, and then any grocery store, of course. It's cheaper to buy that way if you use it frequently than it is to buy those little packets. And just make sure your potatoes are nicely seasoned. Looks like the humidity is made it all stick together. And don't mind all the jars and stuff. I'm fixing to be a canning monster. So you'll be seeing those. So there you go. Those are nicely coated. So I'm going to set those aside. And now I have my wings. And these are going to be just simply seasoned in onion powder, garlic powder, and of course Lowry's. And this is just a really easy dinner, and you can season your wings with whatever you want. I'm just going for easy peasy tonight, so I'm doing it like I would a roasted chicken. And then of course when these are done, you can brush any old sauce on them that you like. I like a Korean barbecue sauce. You can use regular barbecue sauce. You can use your wing sauces. There's a gazillion things you can do. More. More. And a little more. Inhaled. And then the asparagus I'll add in the last 15 minutes of cooking. The ones I have are young and thin. So I am just going to dump these out right here. And I'm going to give these about 30 minutes. And then I will add the potatoes over here. And I'm using the Silpat because I don't care if you grease your cookie sheet or whatever, they're gonna stick. So I hate it when I find these pieces of feather. So gross. So if you see those, just pull them out. So I'm popping these into a preheated 400-degree oven for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to add the potatoes and the asparagus. Maybe I should add the potatoes now. Yeah, I think I'll add the potatoes now. I think they'll take about the same amount of time. So there are our potatoes, nicely seasoned. And they'll get some of the flavor from the chicken, which will be really nice. So there you go, and that leaves room for the asparagus, because you know all this is going to shrink up. So here we go. And then my asparagus. See how thin those are? They're wonderful when they're that thin. So all I'm going to do is whack off those ends, or you can do the old snap them where they break kind of thing. And those are pretty tender. And I will put these in some vinegar water, get them rinsed off, and then when I come back, we will put these on the pan with the other stuff. So I'll be back. Are we going? Okay. Alrighty, you guys, so these are about halfway through. I'm going to drizzle a smidge of olive oil on the asparagus. I'm going to pepper and salt, which all needs a refill. And you can put minced garlic if you want. Toss those around. More pepper. Get the salt. Like my squeaky pantry door. I have a bit of a rant in me, but I'll save it for while I'm prepping my cucumbers tonight. This whole click thing that's going on with everybody. So, okay, I am going to put this back in the oven, and I will see you all shortly when it's done. Okay, let's plate this up. Heavy, heavy. Can you see that? It's all done. I don't know if he can eat 3 of these or not. Some potatoes. I think I'll get these a little more brown. I prefer them more brown, but he is ready to eat because he has to work. I don't think he can eat 3. Let's start out with 2. And then we have our asparagus. And there you go, you guys. I think these potatoes are going to be awesome. So there you go. Get out of the light. There's our one pan meal. So I will see you next time. If you haven't subbed, please do. We're going to be doing a lot of dehydrating and canning this week. And I will see you next time. Bye.